Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio to translate and dub your videos into multiple languages using AI. If you're a content creator and want to reach a global audience, this tool can seriously level up your game. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to ElevenLabs. Log into your account, and once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Dubbing Studio option. Click on it, and you'll see a clean interface where you can upload your video or audio file. Now, step 1 is uploading your content. You can drag and drop your file, or just select it from your device. Make sure your audio is clear, because better input means better output. Next comes the important part, choosing your target language. ElevenLabs supports multiple languages like Spanish, Hindi, French, and more. Just select the language you want your video to be dubbed into. After that, you'll see voice options. This is where the magic happens. You can choose different AI voices depending on the tone you want, whether it's professional, casual, or energetic. Some voices even sound almost human. Once everything is set, click on Start Dubbing. Now the AI will process your video. It might take a few minutes depending on the length of your content, so just be patient. After the processing is done, you can preview the dubbed version. Listen carefully and check if the voice matches your expectations. If needed, you can tweak settings or try a different voice. Finally, download your dubbed video and you're ready to upload it to platforms like YouTube, reaching a completely new audience. One quick tip: always review the final output before publishing, because sometimes small adjustments can make a big difference in quality. And that's it. That's how you use ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.